In this video, I'm going to show you that what's the difference between the automatic members and the static members of a class and object, just like that. So just imagine you are having a pre-planned structure for building three houses, and in that pre-planned structure, you have just things like the water pump, which is common to each and every house. So that is called just a static member. But there are certain things in these houses, it's just like the material, the design, the architecture of these three houses, which is only depends on the budget you have for each and every house, individual house. So those things are called the automatic variables, and those automatic variables members are actually unique to each and every class. So in classes and objects, these are called the automatic members. So actually, the automatic members are members that is unique to each and every individual object that you have created from a specific class. And the static members are actually the members that is common to each and every object that you have created from one class. Okay, so let me just give you a very simple example of a class having the automatic members, just like this. For example, I have a class library, okay, and it is having a constructor called def init, okay, and in that constructor I'm just giving uh, two parameters, one for its name, what is the name of the book, another one is price, and then I say that self dot name equals name and self dot price equal price. This is a very simple structure of a constructor. Okay, and now let me just define an object. Okay, for example, I say that book 1 equals library library, and in the parameters I'm gonna pass two parameters, one its name and another one is its price. For example, I just want to say like rich date, etc. Okay, and its price is, for example, 200. Okay, book 2 library, pass two parameters, and I will say like habits, okay, and give it 300. Okay, I just want to say that the automatic members of this class, like the name and the price, will be specific to this book 1 and this book 2. Okay, this will be unique to each and every item. For example, if I say like if I print over here book 1 dot name, what is just printing? It is just printing a rich dad, the name of the book 2, which is the object number 2. So now it is printing the habit. What it is doing over here, it is just giving the unique names to each and every object over here. The habits is unique to the object number 2, which is the book 2, and the rich dad is unique to this item, which is the object number 1. Okay, so this is the automatic members and it is unique to each and every item. What about the uh, what about the static members, which is shared all across the objects? Okay, like for example, count equal to 0. Okay, first of all, I have no book, and over here you will say like library dot count plus equal 1. Okay, what I've just did, the library dot count. Why did I use the name of the class? Because it is a class variable. It means that it is not associated to any object. It is associated to the whole class's object. Okay, and when that happens, it will just update it for each and every object. For example, if I say run this, and then I say like a book 1 dot count, it is just printing that one book is being created. Okay, and then if I just do it for this one as well, like print book 2 dot count, we're just doing it is 2. But now if I run it for this one, the count will, for the first object, will also be become 2. Now just look at this, it is becoming 3. If I run it for this one, it is becoming 4. Why is it doing that? Because the count, I am creating object again and again, and the value of the count is updating. So it first, when first I created the object, it became 1. For the second time it became 2. For the third time it became 3. For the fourth time it became 4. Okay, just like this. And if I print now, I am not creating any object, I'm just calling the count object. Okay, if I book one, sorry, book one dot count, it will just give me 4. Okay, it will just giving me 4 because I haven't created any object, so that value is not updated. I've just recalled the previous value. Okay, so this was about the static members. So this was a short video about the static members and the automatic members. I hope you enjoyed the video very well. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel in order to be notified for every new video. Thank you and have a nice day.